Yo guys, what's up? Hope you are fine. So today's video, I just want to show you the things that I've learned after I have blown 5 Profem accounts. So you guys know that trading is not an easy business, like an easy endeavor. And I've started trading like 1.5 years ago, and the journey has not been easy so far, right? So I've been blowing accounts back to back, like so many Profem accounts, like 5 Profem accounts. And during that tough journey, I've learned so many things that I would like to share with you guys today. So stay tuned and yeah, turn on the bell notification, smash the like button, and stay with me so that you know you will learn some kind of thing that will be maybe useful to you as you are learning how to trade as well. As a proof to what I'm saying, I want to show you the first firm that I've started trading with. Like for the first time I started trading with a firm, I traded with Consummate Traders, and I never knew about Profens back then. Like I was just so happy and so thrilled to start trading with a Profem account because to me I was like, okay, so if those firms are going to give us a capital to trade and we are going to keep 80% of it, then that means it's going to be very easy for me to become like not a millionaire but like to make a lot of money out of those firms, right? So I was so thrilled, so happy. So I just went out ahead to buy a pro firm with them, and I tried to trade it for the first time and I blew the account, and I was so sad. I was feeling so bad and everything, right? So I just kept going because I am someone that likes winning, right? So no matter how many times I lose, I'll keep going until I see that I won before I just want to see like me winning. I don't like losing, so I'll keep trying back to back. So you can check it here on the screen right now that the first account with Consummate 5,000 account was disabled because I've been disqualified because of 12% maximum allowable loss. The second one, same thing. Third one is 5% daily loss. And then fourth one, right? Fourth one is 6% daily loss, right? So that's the reason why I got disqualified with Consummate Traders. So I've got disqualified with them and I stopped trading with them because of many reasons. And then now I've moved to Funding Pips, which is my best profile so far. And although I've lost an account with them, but Funding Pips is to me, one of the best profiles ever because there was an issue that came up lately about all those MT4 and MT5 platforms, and so many profiles have gone down, but Funding Pips stood still and right, they proved to their customers that they are reliable and trustworthy. So they came back after 1 week or 2 weeks um, of not working because of all those issues with MT4 and MT5. First of all, I made 1% on the account. Then I was in school during exam, so I started trading all assets, like everything I could trade. I started trading because Funding People gave me the ability to trade stocks, different type of assets, right? So it made things easier. You can just click on a button and then you see a chart on your screen and start trading the asset that you are seeing. So I just started trading things anyhow and I blew the account due to daily limit or daily whatever they call it. All right. So the first thing is like don't trade when you are emotional, right? So this is one of the main things when it comes to trading, right? Because I remember I was trading my Profile account and I was in a drawdown of like 4,850 something, right? So I was able to trade the account up to $5,000. But the $5,000, which is the initial balance, when I traded it up to that amount, the amount was like a floating profit. If you know what is floating profit, like I've not yet closed the profit because once you are not flat, like when your profit is still running, you call it floating profit because it's your equity, right? It's not your balance. So my equity was like $5,000. I saw it $5,000, but I was so emotional. Like I had a bad day, and I was trying to use forex or my trading to fulfill that void that I had during my bad day. So I saw the $5,000 and I was expecting it to go up to like $5,030 or $50. Then before I know, I saw that a big, like, I was long, all right, I was long, and then before I know, I saw a big candle, a big bearish candle that started popping up, right? So when I saw that candle, instead of me to just go ahead and close my position and be content with the 4,900 or something dollars that I've made, my equity, sorry, I was hoping that that was just like a small retracement, and I thought price may like keep going up, and then the big candle went all the way down, and then, like, remember what I told you, my day was bad already, and I saw this like equity, my $5,000 that I broke even. Instead of me to close my positions, I didn't, and then now I'm down again, like a winning profit, like a winning position that turned into a loss. So that made my day even worse, and I started trading anything. Like, I started revenge trading, and I kept blowing the account. Like, I ended up blowing my account. So one of the things I want to you guys to know is, like, anytime you're emotional, make sure to stay away from trading, right? Because sometimes the best way to do it, like, is like just forget about it. And for you to forget about something, it just like takes 30 minutes, right? So just go and do something else for like 30 minutes and you forget about it, and then you come back the next day and keep going. Okay, now the second advice is take a break after a winner. All right. So after a winner, right, sometimes I used to take trades, and I'll make $50. Okay, I'll make $50. So instead of me to wait for the next day before I go in again and trade, I will go and trade right after making $50. So that's one of the worst way to trade, because there's one way they call total trading strategy. Like, if you take a win, wait, because your next trade is definitely going to be a loser, so you have to wait, and then the next day you can go ahead and trade again. But don't trade right after you've taken a winner, because you are psychologically not ready to take that trade. So you think that it's so easy, but actually trading is not easy. It's a game of probability, right? So don't think that it's easy because you won, right? So that's it. So after you've taken a winner, after you've won a trade, relax, calm down, and then go and do any other thing that you used to enjoy. Come back the next day and take a new trade. Now, the third advice I would like to share with you is, like, don't buy a prop firm if you are not consistently profitable on a demo account. And that's one of the biggest things I've been struggling with, right? I started trading, like I told you, 1.5 years ago, and like, I've been so, like, anytime I see a new strategy, I'll jump on it. I'll just learn the strategy for 1 week and 2 weeks, and I'll feel like I'm ready to start with live funds. I'll go ahead, buy a prop firm, or maybe fund my account and start trading. And then I will lose the money, I'll feel bad, and then I'll go and learn another strategy, and then I'll come and fund my account, blow it, keep going. And now I realize that if you keep doing that, you will never become profitable, because you will blame the strategy while you have to blame yourself. You have to learn before you start funding your account. That's why it's very important for you to use a demo account. Sometimes I used to go on YouTube and type, how long should I trade on demo before I fund my account, just because of the I want to see someone that is with me, like someone that shares my opinion of trading live funds, like, just after learning a strategy for 2 weeks. But no matter what you see on YouTube, in my opinion, you have to trade on demo as long as you can. You have to be able to fund, like, to trade your demo funds and be consistently profitable on that demo before you move to a live account. Because if you take the demo seriously, then you are going to be able to be profitable on your live account as well. So my advice is for you to trade on demo accounts until you are consistently profitable. Then once you're consistently profitable, you can now move to a live fund. No matter how long it takes you, if it's 1 year, 6 months, 2 years, keep going, keep learning. Put the learning first. Like, you have to prioritize learning. Once you become good at learning, I promise that all the money you've been losing for a very long time, you are going to make it back as fast as you can, right? So learn first, save your money, all the money that you have been blowing. if it's something that you can save, it will really help you. And you can buy courses, you can buy different things, but don't trade live funds yet until you become profitable. Okay. And the next thing is, don't follow gurus blindly. Nowadays forex trading is like kind of like messed up. Like the trading is still the same thing, right? Like you can download your MT4, MT5, fund your account, go ahead and trade. But the industry, the community of traders, everything is kind of messed up, because if you go on YouTube and look for something, you will see so many people that are talking about that thing, but they don't even know what it is actually. And that's just how it is. They'll put pictures of Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and all of them have their opinion in the market. So imagine you as a beginner that don't know anything, and you are just there among all those people with their opinions, saying this and that about the market. Some people will say, I don't trade the 15-minute time frame. Some people will be like, I only trade 5-minute time frame. This is the best way to become profitable in trading. Some people will be like, why are you trading lower time frame? You can never become profitable trading lower time frame. Scalpers, they can't become profitable. I only trade on the higher time frame, 4 hour daily. Swing trading is the best way to trade. Bro, so many opinions. And imagine you as a beginner, you stand there among all those people not knowing what to do. You just follow them here and there, but you finally end up where you don't know. So my advice is that don't follow gurus like blindly. Okay, before you follow someone, go and make a research about them. Like, are they actually good traders? Do they actually trade? Their lifestyle, like, what I advise is, like, don't look for someone that shows their face, right? Because like the real traders don't really care about showing their face on the platform like YouTube or Instagram or all these type of things. Like, what they care about is teaching, like, how to trade, is giving that value of trading. What they care about is what they are teaching. So I don't want to call any name here, but if you go on YouTube and you look for traders that you can learn from, you will see that they don't show their face. It's only charts that you will see, different charts. They don't show their face. Okay, so go and look for such traders and learn from them. Find the right information. Okay, so you need to find the right information. Like, finding the right information is just like what I just said before. Go online, look for the people that don't show their face, look for people that teach you actual trading, look for big companies, big pro firm companies in the US, for example. Like, in the US, all those big companies, like, listen to podcasts, trade, take your time to trade. Go on Twitter, look for like confirmed traders, people that are verified traders that you know. All right, people that take trading seriously, people that actually are traders. Don't just go ahead and look for people on Instagram that have made this, that used to bully people, tell people that, oh, you are lazy, that's why you are not successful. You don't do this, that's why you are not successful. Me, I have this, I have a private jet, I have a Lamborghini, all these type of things. Like, bro, they don't really talk about the chart, because actual traders don't even care about lifestyle. You not even see them wearing expensive chains. Like, they wear normal shirts like us. Like, but what is in their pocket is very huge. Like, the amount they have is massive, but they don't really show off. Why? Because they are trading because they love the markets. They don't trade because of making money and showing off anyhow. So look for the right information. Look for the people that don't show off. They value the learning process, the markets. Do you understand? And then the next thing is, like, don't rush to buy pro firms just because there's a discount. For example, now some pro firms will just come and say, okay, because of this event, we are giving out 50% discount on this account. Some people will just rush, go and buy the pro firm. And then later, you will realize that, first of all, you don't even have the right strategy to trade with that pro firm. So why did you now go ahead and buy the pro firm? That's number one. Number two is, because of that discount, you will not even take your time to check the policies of the pro firm. Some pro firms have wide spreads. Some pro firm don't allow news trading. Some pro firms don't allow you to withdraw if you've not you've not made up to 50%. Some pro firm, like there are so many policies like involved with pro firms that you need to take your time to analyze before you make the decision to buy a pro firm. But some people are so thrilled to buy Profem just because of the fact that that Profem gives a discount, right? And I also made that mistake, like because of discounts, I went to buy Profem like blindly, not even thinking, right? And it's so bad. So take your time, don't rush to buy Profems. I will never stress this enough. Take your time to learn on demo until you see that you are profitable enough. If you really love trading, you will love trading on demo. If you love trading, you will love trading on demo. Why am I saying that? Because demo is also trading. The only difference is that you don't make money from demo. And if you hate demo, that means your purpose is just to make money, which is normal, right? Because we trade to make money, but you also need to have the love of the market, like not love, but like trading. You have to like trading. You have to enjoy the art of trading before you can make money. It's just like an equation, right? If you love trading, then you make money. But if you don't love trading, you just want to make money, then you will not be likely to enjoy the process of trading. And if you don't enjoy the process of trading, how will you be able to make money? That's why I'm saying that expert traders, they enjoy trading demo because demo is the market. But if you don't like demo, that means it's just money that you want to make. You don't care about how you trade, what is your strategy. As long as you make money, that's all you want, and that's it. It's bad, bro. And then the next thing on my list is to fall in love with the craft, right? So I used to follow one trader that used to call trading craft. And the reason why he calls it craft is because he believes it's a craft, because he loves trading so much and he makes so much money from it that he thinks that trading is a craft. So guys, you have to go ahead and love trading, right? Even if you don't love it, learn how to love it, because if you want to be a trader, you have to at least love it and take your time. Like, even if you don't love trading, if you have a person that like learning things, new things, you definitely love trading. Okay, so go ahead and learn about productivity, how to become productive using different software such as Notion, different software, right, to take notes and all of that. So if you are learning trading, take your time to learn new lingos like vocabularies related to forex. Um, Take your time to screenshot some charts, some candlesticks, and take your time to learn. Make it a passion, and during a period of time like over 1 or 2 years, I'm sure that you are going to become an expert on it. And also make sure that you are profitable on demo. Look for a strategy that you like, focus on it for a very long time, and at the end of the way, and at the end of the day, it will definitely pay you. So that's it, guys. The last advice I want to give you guys is don't just enjoy the end result, but you need to enjoy the process, right? So for example, now if you are digging a hole to look for a treasure, or to look for gems, stones, if you are a person that doesn't enjoy the process, you may get close to where the stone is, and then you might give up, and then you just go. And another person that enjoys digging will come and dig just one time, and then will discover the stone. What am I trying to say? Is like someone that enjoys the process of digging will dig as long as he can, even if he's sleeping. He will dream about digging. He will wake up and keep digging until nothing, right? You just keep digging because you like digging. And with the process of digging, stones will just come along. Do you understand? So you need to like digging. You need to like trading. So, like, if you like trading, then money will come. It's like a byproduct of you liking to trade, like loving to trade. So just like the process, just enjoy it. And as you enjoy the process, money will come definitely. So guys, that's all I have for you today. And yeah, I've blown so many accounts and I'm still learning, right? So I decided to go back to demo and then keep learning, because I've been able to pass my profilms. Like, believe me, I have a perfect strategy and I'm still working on it. Like, there's no perfect strategy. I'm still working on it. I'm still becoming better every day. But I have to work on it until the strategy has like 80% win rate before I move to live funds, because my strategy allowed me to be able to pass my phase one and my I think my phase one with one program. And because of psychology and emotional things in my life, I went out ahead to blow my account. Okay, so the reason why I blew all these accounts is not because of strategy, it's because of psychological things, emotional things, and all of that. But still, if I had a perfect strategy, I would be able to pass all those accounts, despite all the things that I've been going through in my life and in my, you know, not like I'm going through many things in my life. I'm just saying that in a daily situation, like if something happens and you don't feel good and then you go to the markets and you blow your account, that's what I mean by things that happen in my life, right? So make sure to have like a good strategy. That's why I'm going back to demo to trade as long as I can, to have that perfect strategy that I can use as an edge in the market and be able to become profitable. But before then, I have to focus on trading demo. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't want to make it too long, so if you do, please smash the like button, comment something nice down below in the comment section, turn on the notification bell, and share it to any person that's struggling with pro firms or with trading at all. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.